4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yoinks! The criminal. No thanks, I'm good. If you don't, we just might have to expel you from our alliance. But I'm an alternate, right? Oh, sounds like a lie to me. Liars must be punished. Let's punish Naily. Oh my God! Look at me, please. Look at me, please.
Flower's pretty beautiful.
Lightning, go electrocute Spongy.
Yoi, I feel like my alliance has changed lately. Actually, Lightning, do what you think is right.
Bubble,
Please don't expel me from the alliance.
you aren't expelled, but we're gonna demote you from member to member.
Yeah.
No.
Am I still a member?
Yes, Ruby, you are. I love games. What's wrong?
But what is the prize?
Okay, Free Smart, who are our 2 other members? Actually, I don't know. I kind of want to be on some other team this time. This team's kind of unhealthy for us. Don't you agree, Ice Cube? Ruby on my team. She saw how beautiful I am. I choose both.
Crudley.